So when you're ready, just have a seat. And the note associated with the fourth chakra is F sharp. I do want to remind you that, there's not consensus on these things. If you Google it, you'll find that there are charts that say that the F sharp, that the fourth chakra is C. And so their scale is different. So again, it's all about working with your intention and your intuition. And the tones in and of themselves are healing and work with your intention. So we're going to work with F sharp, and we're going to go with the lower note, the F sharp below middle C, and so that you can really feel it in your chest. You're wanting to resonate this fourth chakra here. Okay, you want to feel that vibration going through the fourth chakra. So as you do this toning, just let this area loosen and release and receive this pattern of energy as it flows through the heart chakra, restoring the rhythm. It's kind of like, it reminds me of those ER type of shows where they have to go in with the electric paddles to restart a heart, and shock it, because they're trying to get that heart to find its rhythm again. So toning is like that. Not like an electric shock, but it's like that in terms of it's helping you reset the rhythm. So again, we're working with energy here, not so much with consciousness right now. So these energy tools are working with the rhythm and the rate, and you're wanting to reestablish it at one that's going to be beneficial and restorative. All right, I'm going to give you about 3 minutes now of that F sharp chord, so that you can tone for a full 3 minutes. You're just going to take a nice deep breath, breathe in, and then on that out breath tone, when you run out of breath, you just end the note, take in another deep breath, and begin again. And you can repeat the toning at a rate and a rhythm that's going to work optimally for you. Just take that nice big in breath.